Morning everyone, we are from Group 1, so excited to presentation to you today. But first, we will introduce ourselves. We are from Business Administration Study Program. My name is Sonia Nopita Putri.
My name is Lokadani.
My name is Rati Ratnasari.
Hi guys, my name is Adi Wijaya.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Okta Afrolinsius.
We are hope that you can follow our presentation for us discussion later. The material we will discuss today is about tense, which includes present tense, past tense, and future tense. Here, I will explain about what tense and present tense. Verb tense are a crucial verb of grammar that allow us to express time in our sentence. Verb tense are also used for grammatical aspect, which is in more detail about the duration or time and action tense. Present tense is used to talk about action or events that are happening right now. For regular verb, the present tense only use the basic form of the verb. For example, I walk to school every day. However, irregular verb have unique forms in the present tense, such as is or am for the verb to be.
First, simple present tense. Simple present tense is a tense that is used to talk about something general, something that always happens repeatedly, or general truth. Simple present tense is the tense most often used everyday function of simple present tense. A. Express emotion or feelings. The first function of the simple present tense is to express experience or feeling. B. Instruction. Simple present sentence also function to express orders or instruction, so we often see orders or instruction using simple present tense sentence. C. The schedule event. The next function of the simple present tense sentence is to express an event that will be held in the near future. D. General truth. Simple present tense sentence also have the function of expressing a truth that is around us. The last one, the function of the last simple present tense sentence is to show activities or activities carried out in everyday life. Verbal simple present. Positive subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. Negative subject plus du or dois plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative do or dois plus subject plus verb 1 plus interrogative. Examples of simple present tense sentence that use verbal formal rules are: we go to school by bus. Nominal simple present. Negative subject plus to be, am, or is, or are plus subject. Negative subject plus to be, am, or is, or are plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative to be, am, or is, or are plus subject plus verb 1 plus interrogative. To be, am is used for subject I. To be is used for the subject he, she, it. To be is used for the subject he, you, they, we. Example of sentence that use to be formula are: my mother is a teacher. 2. Present continuous tense. The definition of present continuous tense is a form of tense that you can use it to explain something or express actions that are taking place during are creating time in the present. Continuous tense function directly with explains in various sentence patterns. A. Things that are happening now indicators something that is happening or is taking place. Example, positive, he is reading a romance novel now. He is reading a book now. Negative, he does dance on stage. He is not dancing on stage. B. Temporary event, status, and action that occurred over a long time ago but only for a temporary period of time. Example, positive, he is learning a new language at the moment. He is learning a new language now. C. Discourse actings that occurred around the time of the conversation. Example stands. Positive, Rara is taking 3 class this semester. Rara is taking 3 class this semester. Negative, Arnold spent a lot of money this week. Arnold spent a lot his money this week. D. New partners or habits. States new habits. Example, positive, new days. People write much fewer emails than they did a few years ago. Today people write forever emails than they did a year ago. E. Future plans. The tells about something that has been discussed of planning previously and will happen in the near future. Example, positive, when we arrived at the airport, we took a private car directly to the hotel. When we arrived at the airport, we took a private. We hitched directly to the hotel. Present continuous tense, positive tense, formula subject plus be, am, or are, or is, plus verb 1 minus ing minus complement. Present continuous tense, negative tense, formula subject plus be, am, or are, or is, plus not plus verb 1 minus ing plus complement. Present continuous tense, interrogative sentence formula be, am, or is, or are, plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing plus complement. 1. Example of a positive sentence in the present continuous tense. I am reading a letter my friend. I'm reading a letter to my friend. 2. Example of present continuous sentence in negative form. I'm not watching TV right now. I'm not watching TV at the moment. 3. 10 example of present continuous tense sentence in the interrogative form. Are you watching a movie now? Are you watching a movie at the moment?
Well, I will explain it about past tense. Past tense is used to talk about action or even the accurate in the past. For regular verb, the past tense is usually formed by adding "at" to the base form of the verb.
I want to explain about simple past tense material. The first simple past tense describe event in the past that have finished at the time. The simple past tense is used to about an event that happened the past and ended in the past a specific time. The following is a simple formula, the verbal form of simple past tense. Positive subject plus verb 2 plus object or complement or a verb. Negative subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object or complement or a verb. Question mark did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object or complement or a verb plus question mark. Example of a simple past tense verbal sentence. My mom and I went to the zoo yesterday.
I will explain past continuous tense. 1. Understanding past continuous tense is a form of time in English that is used to express that an activity was taking place at a certain point in time in the past. 2. The function or use of the past continuous tense is 1. Describe an action that was taking place in the past. 2. Describe an action that was interrupted by another action in the past. 3. Describe two actions that occurred simultaneously in the past. 4. Provide background or explain in the story. 5. So, repeated action in the past.
Future tense is used to talk about action or event that have not yet happened but will happen in the future. In the future tense, we often use an auxiliary verb such as the modal verb will or shall before the base form of the verb.
Is the simple future tense. Simple future tense is I to explain an event that has not yet started and will start in the future sentences. In the simple future tense can be marked by the use of the will, so, and going to. The simple future tense is also so the expression prediction or vision. Functional simple future technology. 1. Step an event that will occur in the future. 3. Expression are decision to do something with our plan. 3. Expression I emotion or feeling. Example of the simple future sentence. 1. Positive sentence. Example: I will have dinner with Mary. Negative sentence. Example: she will not forget you. Interrogative sentence. Example: will help forget me.
Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is a form of verb to express events that are taking place in the future or time with specific time information, aka sentences that use this tense have a time duration. Function future continuous refers to unfinished actions or events that are occurring at a time after the present. The future continuous is used for many different purposes. Future continuous can be used to image or resolve in the future. Future continuous formula with will or shall positive sentence. When discussing the formula for a tense, of course, you will be faced with positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. For positive sentence, in the future continuous tense, the formula is subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb in. Okay. Example: the bird will be playing in the exchange this afternoon. Okay. Negative sentence. For this negative sentence, You have to add 9 between will and be, so that if written completely, it becomes subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus verb in. Example, the bird will not be playing in the church this afternoon. Interrogative sentence. Meanwhile, to make an interrogative sentence, all you have to do is swap positions between the subject and will. So the certain formula is will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb in plus interrogative. Example, will the bird be playing in this cage this afternoon? Okay. Future continuous formula with be going to, positive sentence, subject plus is or am or are plus going to plus be plus verb in.
Tense material is a form of verb that indicates time, used to convey when an event occurs or someone doing something. Material on tense provides specific guidance in making equative sentence and expressing activities in the past, present, and future. Present tense is used to talk about actions or events that are happening right now. Past tense is used to talk about acting or events that occurred in the past. Future tense is used to talk about actions or events that have not yet happened but will happen in the future.
That's all presentation from our group. Finally, we would like to thank you for your attention and good morning to all of us.